this exercise, we will demonstrate some of the features of the low voltage load flow. In the project overview window, activate the study case LV load flow. Here you can see the 400 volt network. Run a load flow by selecting the load flow icon. Ensure that the option Consider Coincidence of Low Voltage Loads is selected. Execute the load flow. To see the results of the load flow, we can create a grid summary. Select the icon Output Calculation Analysis. Choose the option Grid Summary. Select Execute. Now maximize the output window. Here you can see the results of the load flow. For the 33 kV system, for the 11 kV system, and for the 400 volt system. Maximize the single line diagram again. Now we will color the diagram according to our results. Select the diagram coloring icon. Choose the option 3 Other, then select Results and Voltages / Loading. Select OK. Show the color legend block in the diagram by selecting the color legend block icon. You can see that the diagram has now been colored. Nodes have been colored from green to blue, where green represents a lower voltage and blue represents a higher voltage. Lines and cables have been colored from orange to red, depending on how heavily loaded they are. If we zoom in, we can see some of this coloring in more detail. Selecting a load at random, right-click on the load and select Create Text Box. Here you can see the results from the low voltage load flow. P, S and I are average real power, total power and current, and maximum total power and maximum current are S max and I max. Double click on a load to observe its parameters. Here you can see that the low voltage load model contains a stochastic element. The low voltage load model has a fixed load element and a variable load element. In the variable load element, you can specify the number of customers and the utilization factor. Note that the low voltage load also has type parameters. Here you can see that the maximum load per customer, the power factor, and the coincidence factor are all specified in the low voltage load type.